Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this Little Red Riding Hood costume. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So it comes in a little plastic baggie just like this. So I'm taking it out of the bag. I'm giving you my first impressions on everything. So it looks like it does come with the dress. The dress is right here, and then it also comes with the cloak. So this is going to be like the Little Red Riding Hood cape. Take a look. Very nice. Its stitching looks really good. Let me kind of give you a close-up on that. So this is the hood. It's kind of like a felt fabric. Very, very nice red. It does have these two strings. So I'm kind of show you. So like I mentioned, the two strings are in the front. So when you have the costume on, you want to go ahead and just tie it right here in the front. Look at that, and this is what it looks like. And then let me show you the costume. I will be trying it on. I got it in a size extra large for reference, but this costume is available from sizes small all the way up to extra large. So I did get it in the larger size. I just wasn't sure. I'm usually between sizes. I'm usually between large and extra large, but I did get this one in an extra large. It has some short sleeves right here. Give you a closer look so you can check out the stitching. Very nice stitching, nice and stretchy material. Let's look at the front part now. This is the front. Same thing, has a stretchy, has that front. Looks like a little corset down the middle. Super cute corset, still looking very nice. Now I'm going to show you the back. The back does have a zipper. So that's what the zipper looks like. Let's check it out. All right, so the zipper goes down smoothly and zips up smoothly. Now the bottom is a different material. It's like a satin-like material. So on the bottom of the skirt, it does have a pattern. Take a look, cute little pattern along that satin style skirt. Now on the waistband here, it's a little stretchy as well. All right, so let me go ahead and try it on now and show you what it looks like. All right, I have the dress on. It is super cute. Honestly, it fit very well. Like I said, this is in a size extra large for reference, and it actually zipped, which I was a little bit nervous about it. Sometimes I will tend to struggle with zippers only because sometimes they won't zip up all the way, but I actually was able to put this on myself. I'll go ahead and remove the cloak just to show you what the back part looks like, but this is what the dress looks like. The dress itself goes about to my knees. I am 5'5". This is the dress with the cloak. Super cute. I think it's an affordable costume. The material is good, but like I mentioned, make sure you look at the sizing chart to ensure that you're getting the correct size on this, but it fit very, very nicely. I'll show you, this is what the back looks like. So if you've been on the lookout for a last minute costume idea, a Halloween costume, a cosplay costume, a costume party, anything like that, I think this is the perfect costume. It includes everything that you need. So it has the cape and also the dress. It's actually good quality. I personally would recommend it. But I'll go ahead and leave the link down below if you want to go ahead and check it out for yourself. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.